Hello, hope you're doing good. I'm your host Jason. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to make a clickable PDF in Canva. I'll be showing you how to make images clickable. I'll be showing you how to embed links and also how to embed videos on your Canva PDF. For example, you can see I have a PDF right here. And if you want to know how to create an ebook or PDF using Canva, all you'll need to do once on canva.com, from here you could type in PDF or ebook, and then you will be redirected to a new page on which you'll see numerous templates that you can choose from. And you quickly select a template. For this example, I selected this template. So you can see it right here. Now, the first example, let's say you would like to make an image clickable. So you can see an image has been added right here. All you'll need to do once you have added your image, you're going to tap on it. Then from there, you're going to tap on the three dots that says more. After doing that, you're going to tap on link. Once you have tapped on link, you can go on to, for example, let's say I would like to make it clickable to ESPN. So let's say that is the URL that I'm using. All you'll need to do is copy the URL. Then from here, you can paste the link. After you have pasted the link, you're going to simply tap on done. So now this image is clickable. Now if you would like to make a text clickable, you can do that also. So let's say for example's sake, I would like to make this text clickable. All you will have to do is simply select the text box. So you can select the entire text box. Or let's say for example, I would like to only make the name clickable. I could select the name only, then tap on the link icon. Then from here I could paste in the link once more. Then I could tap on done. Now let's say for example's sake, instead of linking it to an external website or page, I would like to link it to an internal page. With Canva, you can do that. So for example's sake, you can label each page. So where you see page 2 right here, you could tap on it. And for example, you could add a page title. So let's say for example, intro page. Then you could scroll down and you can label page 3 also. And then you can scroll down and you can label all of the pages. So let's say for example, say just for a random example, let's say page 7 was the About Us page. And we wanted that to be referred to the author. So I'm going to be naming page 7 About Us. After typing in the title right there, I'm going to scroll back up to the first page. Then I'm going to select by and I'm going to select the author's name right here. And then I'm going to tap on link. After you have tapped on link, all you would need to do now, you could simply type in About Us right here. And you can see About Us page 7. You can tap right there, then tap on done. So now once someone goes onto your PDF and taps on this link, they'll automatically be redirected to page 7, which is the About Us page. Now let's say for example's sake, you would like to embed a video on your Canva PDF. It is quite easy to do. So to do this, I'll tap on add page. And all you'll need to do now, you can go onto YouTube. Once on YouTube, you can search for the video that you would like to embed. So I'm just going to be selecting a random video. So let me see right here. So all you'll need to do is tap on the three dots. After you have tapped on the three dots, you're going to tap on share. Once you have tapped on share, you're going to tap on copy. So you don't want to select embed like what you'd normally do to embed to get the HTML code. Instead, all you want to do is copy the URL. After you have copied the URL, you would go back onto Canva, go onto your PDF. Then from there, you can go over to the left-hand menu option, tap on text. After you have tapped on text, you can select any text style, just for example's sake. Then from there, you can move the text box to any position. And again, I could do this on a page with text around it also. Then all you'll need to do is select the text, tap on the link icon. Then you're going to paste in the link right here that you have copied. After you have pasted in the link, you're going to tap where you see link mode and you're going to select embed. After you have selected embed, you can see that the video has been added right there. So you can see that the video is added to this page. If you would like it to take up the entire page, you can adjust the size, or you can tap on the three dots right here and then you can choose to set it as the page background. Now let's say for example's sake I wanted to add this video in a page that has text also. So all I would need to do, let's say I would like to add it on a particular page. So let me find an example. Let's say I would like to add a video right below this paragraph. All I would do, let me delete the second text box right here, just for example's sake. Then all I would do right now, I would adjust the size of the text box. Then I'm going to tap on text from the left hand menu option. Then I'm going to tap on the link once more and I'm going to paste in the link that we have copied for our video example. Then we're going to tap on link mode, select embed, and you can see the video box right here would simply adjust the size. So we'll adjust the size right here. After you have adjusted the size, as you can see right there, it has now been added. Also, if you would like to add your social media links to your Canva PDF, you can do that. So let's say for example's sake, we would like to add the icons. You have two options that you can choose from. You could either go onto Google or your search bar and from there you could download the icons. Then you could add each individual icon, for example like this. Then you could simply select the icon. After selecting the icon, let me do that real quick. You would tap on the three dots, then you would select link, and you will simply paste in your social media link. A quicker way to do this is by simply going onto a website by the name of elfsite.com. On elfsite.com, you will go over to the left hand menu option, hover over widgets. From here, you can see you have numerous options that you can choose from. So you could choose to add your Facebook feed, Instagram feed, LinkedIn feed, any one of your social media feeds. You can also add reviews to your Canva PDF quite easily, as you can see right here. There are numerous options you can choose from. Now let's say we would like to add the social media icons. We could tap on social media icons right there. After you have done that, you will be redirected to this page, and from here you could select a widget that you would like to use. So you can see the different templates right here. Now let's say for example's sake I would like to use this one. I'll select it, then tap on continue with this template. After you have done that, you could tap on the three dots in line with each social media. Then you'll tap on edit and you could paste in your social media link, or better yet your page. You'll tap on the three dots, then select edit, and from there you could add in your social media page. But for the sake of time, I won't be doing that. Then you'll tap on add to website for free at the bottom left hand corner. After you have done that, you'll be redirected to a new page and you can see an example of how it looks. So you can see it right there, and you'll simply tap on publish and that's it. Once you are finished publishing it, you'll be redirected to this page, and now all you'll need to do, you could tap on the three dots right here. Then you're going to tap on share by link. After you have tapped on share by link, you're going to copy the link. Once the link has been copied, you're going to go back into Canva. Then we're going to be adding the link right here. So we're going to be deleting these. So let us delete them real quick. So we can delete each one right here. After you have done that, you're going to simply add a text box. So we can add our text box right here. So let's do that real quick. We want to add it right there. Then we're going to simply select the text box, tap on the link icon, paste in the link that we have created. After we have done that, we're going to tap on link mode and we're going to select embed. And you can see it has now been added, as you can see right there. So our social media links have now been added, as you can see here. Now all you'll need to do to ensure that your PDF is clickable, you're going to tap on share in the top right hand corner. Then you're going to tap on download. After tapping on download, you want to change the file type from PNG and you want to change it to PDF. You can either select PDF print if you are going to do this for printing, or if you are going to send it in documents or email, you can select PDF standard. Then from there you can select all pages, or you can select just one particular page. For this example, I'm going to be downloading all pages. So you'll tap on download and you can see my PDF is being downloaded right there. Once it has been fully downloaded, I'll be showing you an example that it is now clickable. So it's the PDF, it is fully downloaded, so you can see how it looks. And now if we were to go over the image, as you can see right here, if I were to tap on the image, remember that I made it clickable to ESPN. So you can see that it redirects me to ESPN, as you can see right there. So each link, just like what I showed you earlier, is now clickable. And remember, if we were to click on the author's name, it should carry us back to page 7. So let us see if that is working. So you can see it automatically carries me to page 7, as you can see right there. And by scrolling down, if we were to go down, you can see that the video is embedded right there. So if we were to tap on the video, it will automatically play. And you can also see the social media links and so on have been added. So you can see it right there, and you can also see that the video has been embedded right here. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.